Okay, I'm here at Buzzard Rock on my way up to Whitetop. Yeah, I just saw my first white-tailed deer. 500 miles of hiking, one deer. I've actually seen more hogs than I've seen deer lately. Okay, here I am in the Grayson Highlands. I'm just north of Elk Garden. Flowers are out here and leaves are just coming out, and I just passed my last maple sugar bush with the tubing on it till I get to Vermont. The last one I'll see till Vermont. Anyway, it's a great day. Okay, off in the distance are some horses. He's rolling over. Feel good? Here we got a little one. are you? You want to get your picture taken? Huh? How close do you want to go? How close can you go? Hi there. Oh, aren't you a cutie? Cutie patooey. Oh. Anyway, it's a small herd of horses here in the Grayson Highlands. Little baby. Cutie. You eating some grass? Is it yummy? Hey there. Hi. Say something for the camera? Nay? Can you say something for the camera? Huh? You gonna eat the camera? Yeah? You gonna eat that camera? That's good, huh? Hi there. Yeah. Anyway, it's a small herd of horses here in the Grayson Highlands. Hey there. How you doing today? Can I do an on-trail interview? You like to get interviewed today, huh? No, you don't care about this camera, do you? All right. Nothing to say? Got your mouth full? All right. Good green grass finally, isn't it? It's taking a while.